Compatible with select Garmin devices to provide a steady charge. Built-in cable to ensures that you always can quickly connect your device. Mini USB interface offers simple connection to a variety of devices. Garmin 12-volt adapter fits into most car cigarette lighters. Compatible with Garmin Zumo and Garmin Nuvi GPS navigators. Power up while you're on the go with this 12 volts adapter. It's your in-vehicle charger when you're out on the open road. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Was hesitant to try off-brand charging cords after reading their reviews. Happily I found this Garmin one that is the exact replacement. Works perfectly.